Akamai has always been an advocate to inclusion. So that's when we thought probably we should have an ERG which supports the LGBTQ plus community. And why we call it out at Akamai? Because we want them to be themselves and come out and speak it loud and say that you are somebody who represents LGBTQ plus. So that's how the whole idea came into the picture.
Being a member of an ERG as an opportunity to improve how I understand other people, other communities within Akamai, to understand what all challenges they face, to be able to empathize with them and try and do something about it. Making sure that other employees are able to support the LGBTQIA plus community here. So a lot of that boils down to awareness programs around Allyship. What does Allyship mean? We also have organized webinars in the past. Secondly, we also want to look at from a hiring perspective that we can enable members of that community to recognize that Akamai is a safe and supportable place for them to work in and thereby join us.